In trading, you can have everything you need in order to succeed, but still not make it because of this mindset shift. It doesn't matter if you have the capital, it doesn't matter if your strategy is good, it doesn't matter if your execution is good, you'll still not make it because of this mindset shift. Alright? And so, before I undergo under the limiting beliefs, I need you to understand this. I need you to stop chasing money and start attracting it. Have you ever wondered why some people really obsess about chasing the money, just as you and me in the charts, looking for the winners, looking for the trades, looking for the next winner, consistently chasing it, whilst others just seem to attract it? This is not just related to trading itself, but related to life. The more you chase, the more you signal to the universe you don't have it. And the universe of frequencies, money, is just like women. You don't attract it by chasing it, because then you're telling the universe, you're telling the person that you're not abundant. The best way to get women? Well, not caring, be abundant, because it shows you have plenty other women, and pre-selection is king. Money, the same thing. You're not worried about making the next dollar because you know it will come to you and you have plenty of other dollars sitting in your pocket either way. Abundance does not coexist with neediness. I need you guys to stop becoming needy and start letting the trades come to you. Start letting the money come to you. But before I show you how to do that, this was me in the past, alright? Perhaps confident on the outside, but once you look into internally, I'm thinking to myself, I can't win trades. I'm consistently getting losers, and because of that, it reinforces my belief that I can't get winners. And so, more losers on the plate. I'm behind everyone else. I'm not even comparing myself to others, but I just know because I ain't getting any winners. I'm worse than everyone. Maybe trading doesn't really work because it's not working for me. It must not work for all the others. All gurus online are scammers, right? It sounds hypocritical because I'm just trying to be like them. How can I believe everyone's a scammer and trading doesn't work, but meanwhile I'm trying to make it work? How are you going to find unicorns if you believe they don't exist? It's pretty impossible. I need to pass this account. Again, showing neediness. I'm not worthy of success. Maybe you just went through a relationship that failed. At the same time, I was trying to make it in trading. My girl had cheated on me, so that reinforced this. I'm not profitable because I'm not getting any wins. And so if I believe I'm not profitable, reality will show me exactly that. You're not profitable. Trading is hard. Where if you believe that trading is easy, perhaps you'll get way better results. I'm going to show you that. And then because I was getting so many losses, I was thinking that getting wins is a privilege. When it absolutely isn't. It's all about data. You get losses, you get winners, and that's it. And then you make a sum of both, and you either have a positive result or a negative one. But because I was getting losses, and when I mean I was getting losses, guys, I'm trading lower time frames and getting losses throughout months. Not even seeing winners for months. You know how embarrassing that is? And that was me. And now I'm multi-six figures funded. So if you think I'm good, I got lucky, no, you're way better than me. You're on that side watching this video, you're probably way better than me. You just have to have this mindset shift. This is something I had to really change about myself. I was consistently thinking that the market was against me, was gonna stop hunt me, I can't get winners, the market is consistently going higher, but as soon as I jump on longs, it will start to go down and I will get stopped out because the market is against me. And that's far from the truth, okay? The market doesn't create these emotions, it just exposes them, right? It just exposes what you're thinking. Revenge trading is going to expose your ego. Hesitation is going to expose your fear. Over leveraging, scarcity, closing winners out too early, well, you're not trusting your edge. That's what it's exposing. Nothing else. The market will just do what it needs to do. Okay? This is the market without you. This is the market with you. Right? I made a mistake here. It's just the absolute same. You need to stop thinking that it's you against the market. It's you versus you. All right? And there's this quote from Carl Jung: until you make the unconscious conscious, it will direct your life and you'll call it fate. Meaning, until you realize all this stuff is you against you. You're the one doing the sabotage. You're the one making the mistakes. It's not Trump. It's not the market. It's not some institution. It is you versus you. And so you can't say the market made me emotional. The market is showing the emotions that are already there. If somebody close to you just died recently and you went on a trading day and you got 5 losses, that day? Was the market that horrible, or were your emotions all over the place? Of course, it was your emotions. The market has nothing to do whether your girl cheated on you, whether you got unlucky throughout the day, or even whether you got lucky during the day, or even if something good happened. The market doesn't give a fuck about you, your feelings, or anything else. The market will just do what it needs to do. Remember that. And anything else is just a reflection of yourself. This video is brought to you by NYS, a pro firm that has been getting a lot of attention recently. And what I like about them is how clean and simple they make everything. There's no confusion with the names. It's just instant, one-step or two-step account. The accounts range from $5,000 to $150,000 with the standard targets, 8% on phase 1, 5% on phase 2, all transparently shown. But here's what separates them from every pro firm. They have a NYS Academy filled with trading courses, a smart trading journal where you can track your trades, classify them, which will allow you to master your edge and become an overall better trader, and the NYS GPT. Not just a support bot, but something you can ask anything about trading. The payouts are guaranteed in less than 48 hours. They've got a bi-weekly cycle for the first payout, and after that, payouts can be requested every week. They start at 80% profit split. After 3 payouts, it goes up to 90%, and once you've proved yourself to be profitable, they give you 100% profit split and a chance to get a spot at their elite desk and manage up to $2 million. This discount of 30% off plus free reset is expiring soon, but NYS is always running major deals, so check the link in the description to see what's available for you. And here's what you gotta understand about frequencies in trading, in life, in all aspects. The outer world will always match the inner world. Meaning, you might be broke, okay? Your outer world might tell you that your results, your circumstance, your reality, it's super small. But internally, your beliefs, identity, mindset, emotions, standards, they're super huge. They're the ones of somebody that already is a millionaire and operates that way. And what will happen is that the outer world will match the inner world. Meaning, what will happen here is that the outer world will come higher towards the level of the inner world. So you operate like you're already a millionaire, and reality gives you what you expect about yourself. And this is not some woo-woo shit where you just manifest, sit back, let things come to you. You let things come to you because you're already operating that way. It is a shift on the subconscious where your mindset is completely different, and now you're making the actions that the dream version of you would do. So you imitate his behavior, so there's no chance you can't get his results. And the opposite may also happen if the outer world is disproportionate compared to the inner world. And this is actually not so good, because in here, your inner world remains the same. You still have that same brokey mindset, let's say, but then all of a sudden your outer world becomes huge. Let's say you win the lottery here. But as you know, the people that win the lottery, they haven't built a foundation in order to keep that money. They will just regress back to the same level that they were. The same exact spot, or even worse, to where they were before they won the lottery. So even though they got massive amount of money, the outer world throughout time will match the inner world once again. So you gotta believe like you're already a profitable trader before you actually become one. And once you start to behave like that and start gaining results like these, posting accounts all over the place, you're not screaming, "Oh, I can't believe I make it, let's fucking go, I can't believe it." You can believe it. You knew you would achieve this. You can celebrate it, but you're not going crazy saying that I can't believe it. Because if you say this, you're telling the universe you got lucky. And if you got lucky, that tells the universe that it doesn't happen often. If it doesn't happen often, then you will regress back to the level that you are supposed to be. You behave yourself like a profitable trader, like you're already 500K, 1 million funded, whatever it may be. You're already operating like the guy that manages this capital. Even if you're on challenge phases, you don't care. You don't care because it's just a matter of time before you actually get to these results. You're already operating like him. Don't let reality dictate who you are. Your situation might be shit, but if you think like you are the shit, that shit, I'm trying to be poetic, but I'm gonna just shut the fuck up. You can't let reality determine your value. You can determine your value within and cheat your way to success. They often talk about fake it till you make it. It's sort of like that. But then you're not super faking it because you already know it's just a matter of time before you achieve it. And something that a lot of people believe, and I don't think this is bad, but they believe I will become a profitable trader one day. And that's completely fine. But I think you should change it to I'm already a profitable trader. And then it's inevitable that you won't start to see results.